Okay, we're just going to quickly learn about the circle of Willis here and the different arteries and vessels that go with it. So if we start on the bottom here, we're going to have the posterior inferior cerebellar artery, or the PICA. If we move up, this branch here is going to be called the vertebral artery. The vertebral artery goes into the basilar artery, which then leads into the circle of Willis. But if we move back down to this second big prong here, it's going to be the anterior inferior cerebellar artery, or the AICA. Okay, and then if we move up to the second next biggest prong here, is going to be the posterior communicating artery. And then we'll have the posterior cerebellar artery as this bigger one, so all these bigger ones are going to be cerebellar. Moving on up further, we're going to have the posterior communicating artery at the bottom of the circle of Willis, moving into the middle cerebral artery in the middle of the circle of Willis, all the way to the anterior cerebral artery. So PCA, MCA, ACA. And that's posterior, middle, and anterior, making the circle of Willis. And then lastly, over here we have our internal carotid artery.